Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Messenger so it can be different from your Facebook or Instagram profile photo. If this video helps you, please like and subscribe to the channel, it really supports my work. Now let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you're using an iPhone, tap on Menu at the bottom of the screen, then tap Settings. If you're using an Android phone, tap the menu icon in the top left corner, then tap the gear icon to open Settings. Once you're in Settings, you'll see your current profile picture at the top. Tap the small camera icon next to it. Now you can either take a new photo or choose one from your gallery. Select the image you want to use, then crop it if needed. After that, tap Done. You'll see a preview of your new profile picture. Tap Save Profile Picture at the bottom. And that's it, your Messenger profile picture has been changed successfully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.